So everything's plugged in. This is already plugged in. It's already plugged into the house. The only thing you have to do before you switch the breaker over is come out, roll up all the flaps on every side. I guess you don't really have to on the control panel side, this side right here, because you know you already got it plugged in, but you know, so but we'll just go ahead and roll this down so in case it starts snowing, it's protected.
Are we gonna start it just to get it? Okay.
But every other side needs to be rolled up. Okay, so when it's running, it has to. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll come down here. This is set to open right now, so we'll leave it to open. That's the fuel line. This is the choke right here.
Will that freeze anything if it's open?
No, it's gas. It won't freeze. But all right, this is right now. It's choked. It's all the way, and there's your instructions right here.
Okay.
So you have it on choke, okay?
Okay.
And then over here, we'll just make sure this switch is set to on, obviously, right here. Okay.
Okay.
You're plugged in. You're ready to go. Okay. And then what I do is just kind of like pull on it like slowly, just once or twice. Okay. And then we'll just.
I should do that. I should do that.
Yeah. Go ahead.
See if I can freaking do it.
I don't want to do anything while somebody's driving by.
No one can see you. There's a car right there. Or your truck.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. I'm left-handed, too. Okay.
Jesus.
Yeah. Yeah, that sucks.
Kind of hurting my. Let's kind of push it over this way so I'll have more.
I don't know why this thing doesn't really want to start right away. It's kind of aggravating. I would grab it, yeah. Oh, there it goes. So let it run for just a little bit and let it warm up. You know, kind of let it warm up for a little bit. Okay? Yeah, it's fine. You would be doing the same thing. All right, now what you're gonna do is come over and pull that choke